Hello, what floor?
Fourth, please. Thank you. I didn't stop.
Oh, it didn't. Yeah, I tried pushing it and it wouldn't. Okay, there we go.
Floor number 9. Number 9. Going down.
We're gonna go to 1.
Floor number 7.
Right.
Going down.
What floor are you going to? 1 minute. Thank you. How are you feeling? Good. Good. So far. You look good.
Towards the end of the day.
You feel it.
I feel it.
It's the extra little body you're rolling around with.
Yeah.
Floor number 4.
How was your one?
Going down.
Ya, ahora ya.
But now I can. Maybe get mad.
Pues, ya pasó. Uy,
Some of us have
qué
things
urgencia,
to do.
Dios mío.
I have to get somewhere.
Qué
I had a
urgencia.
student the
Todavía
other
fuera a
day.
saber, me diga, ay, entonces sí, güey, chinga. Si no, nada más.
No sé, tengo dónde ir.
Hambre.
Nope. Tengo una cita.
Floor number 2.
So, a ver qué.
That's me.
Going
Have
down.
fun. Oh no, they look like the trouble bunch.
No.
Oh no.
Did she go home already? No, she's going home.
No, she's out there.
She coming to the office?
I don't know.
It's
Yeah.
chilly in this building, and lately a lot. Go warm up. She has a fireplace. She has a fireplace.
I have a heater.
Floor number 1.
My mom's